In 2 days, I'm finally moving to Australia. And hindi pa ako nagpapak. So, tara, samahan niyo ako magpack. So, medyo mahaba-haba siguro ng pagpapak to. So, bear with me. Samahan niyo na lang ako. I guess you guys are maybe curious bakit ako mag-move sa Australia. Last December, pumunta ako ng Australia para magbakasyon and para din makita yung girlfriend ko. Initially, ayoko talaga mag-move sa Australia. Wala yun sa options ko. Pero nung pagdating ko doon, na-realize ko na, it's actually not that bad pala. And gusto ko din i-pursue yung dream ko na maging isang content creator. Because for a year, wala akong ginawa kundi mag-work, mag-gym, umuwi sa bahay. Yun yung naging routine ko. And it's not something na gusto ko gawin habang buhay. After ko magbakasyon sa Australia is, there is more to life besides work. I'm working 2 jobs, I'm earning decent, but the thing is, like, aanuhin ko lahat yun if I don't have essentially someone that I can spend it with, you know? For me, parang wala ring value yun. So yeah, yun yung mga reasons kung bakit ako mag-move sa Australia. Ang ultimate dream ko talaga is maging content creator, and I think mas magagawa ko yun. I guess excuse ko lang to. Magagawa ko lang yun if mag-move ako sa Australia. Kasi it will be a new journey, it will be a new chapter of my life, and I think that is something worth sharing. And gusto ko makita how will this life unfold in the next 5 years. Actually, nag-iisip pa ako anong pwedeng i-share habang nagpapak ako ng mga damit ko. Ooh! It's a mixed emotion kasi mag-move na naman ako. Dito ako nag-high school, umuwi ako sa Pilipinas for college, dito naman ako for work. And then after a year, nilipat na naman ako sa Australia para to start a new life. For me, iniisip ko like parang saan ba talaga ako? Like saan ba talaga ako magsistay? Because I feel like if I keep on moving, wala akong something na na-establish sa isang lugar. So next thing na gusto kong pag-usapan, I guess, is about perspective or perception of things. Me moving can be a positive thing or it can be a negative thing depending on how you look at it. Now, one, I'm sacrificing a lot of things. I'm sacrificing my job here, I'm sacrificing my stability here, I'm sacrificing my life here. And the other way to look at it is I'm moving to Australia to pursue content creation, to pursue something na mag-e-enjoy ako gawin. Both can be true, and it's up to me to decide if what I'm doing is, am I really sacrificing or am I really just pursuing kung ano man yung gusto kong gawin in life, you know? Alam niyo ba, lately, na-realize ko, like talagang dapat hindi ka nakikinig sa opinion ng iba. The only opinion that matters is your opinion of yourself. Because people will always have something to say. Positive, negative, whatever, they will always have something to say. At the end of the day, ang opinion na dapat lang nagmamatter sa'yo, ang opinion na pinaka-importante is your opinion of yourself, hindi yung opinion ng iba. Yeah. Bro, eto, I just wanna say, ito yung mga long sleeve shirts ko, and lahat to is from Uniqlo. Paulit-ulit kong sinusuot from fall until winter, up until now na spring. And now, let's move on to pants. Wait lang, medyo nauuhaw na ako. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita dito, guys. Isa-isahin natin yung pants. And by the way, guys, lahat ng damit ko, 80% or 90% Uniqlo. And I'm not lying to you guys. Chino pants, lahat yan is Uniqlo. Etong sweater na to, Uniqlo. Etong sweater na yan, Uniqlo, 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 Uniqlo. Uniqlo, 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 Uniqlo. Etong tatlong to, Uniqlo din. Uniqlo. And then ito is mga wide leg pants. So meron akong gray, meron akong khaki, and meron akong black. They're all Uniqlos. Uniqlo. And then, ito na yung mga jeans ko. So, as you guys may notice, I'm really trying to build yung capsule wardrobe. You own less things and you make use of it more. Not unlike when you have a lot of clothes, sometimes hindi mo naman nagagamit yung iba na and paulit-ulit lang din naman yung ginagamit mo. I think, lalagay ko muna siya sa maleta. So, ito yung isa sa mga maleta na dadalhin ko. Ito naman yung carry-on na dadalhin ko. Lagyan na ng mga toiletries. Yeah, should be enough. So first maleta is done. Next naman na ayusin ko is mga t-shirts ko, underwear, shorts, and sapatos. Let's go! One pa, funny story. Meron akong white na ganito. And papakita ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari. Tada! Kita nyo, naging pink na. Yung magaling kong nanay, meron siyang biniling sweater na pula. Nilabahan niya, and hinalo niya sa mga puti. So yung mga puti kong damit, naging pink. And here's my shorts. Ito naman, these are my casual shorts. So meron akong khaki, meron akong green, blue stripes, olive green, and black. Ito naman yung swimming shorts ko. Have white and blue. And pajama pantulog. Moving on to my underwears, and hindi ko napapakita sa inyo. Yung mga pambahay naman, iniisip ko magdadala ba ako ng pambahay cause they're just white shirts. Pwede naman ako bumili na lang sa Costco pagdating doon. Yeah, hindi na ako magdadala kasi like yung mga white shirts ko dito is like super luma na din. I think some of them is kailangan na i-retire. And mga medyas. These are all Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Baka naman. Ang natitira na lang na kailangan kong i-pack is mga sapatos ko. So let's do that. So, I am back in terms of sapatos. I'm only bringing 5 shoes. First, ito, which is yung running shoes ko. My Converse na black. And my Birkenstocks, you know, chinelas. My Metcons, gym shoes ko. Pagsumahin ko ng alam. Sumahin ko na lang. I'll be back. I-charge ko lang tong camera kasi 1% na lang.
Tomorrow.
Sorry, hindi ko na na-continue yung vlog kagabi dahil pretty much wala na naman akong ibang ginawa. Napack ko na most of my things. I'll show you. As you can see, most of my clothes are packed. And mag-gym din ako today. So I'll be hitting upper body today and papakita ko sa inyo. Let's get ready mo. I mean, medyo ready na ako. Kailangan ko lang ng hoodie kasi malamig. So, hindi naman halata na favorite color ko is blue. Backpack, blue. Flask, blue. Hoodie, blue. Shorts ko is blue. Kasi yung baong kong extra shirt is blue. For today, ito yung instant coffee na gagamitin ko. And alam nyo, first time ko gagamitin tong Starbucks instant coffee. Blonde roast. Amin natin. Nothing beats the smell of coffee in the morning. Anyways, I'll transfer it here and inumin ko siya na iced. Lipat tayo dito. Okay, coffee, tikman na natin. Medyo may pagkamaasim. Medyo acidic, that's what you call it, acidic. Yeah. Ito na talaga. I'm on my way to the gym. Not once. Nakakatapos ko lang mag-gym and I'm in a bad mood.